At the beginning of 2020, I took all of my courage to resign from my 40-hour full-time job. Like a lot of people, I had the dream to earn my livelihood as a YouTuber and streamer. Earning money while playing video games and cutting a few videos? That's easy, I thought. In my new and first independent work, and without any pressure from employees, I had a laid-back attitude to life. Playing video games until midnight? Check. Sleeping until noon? Check. Petting the dogs the whole day? Check. Procrastinate all of my work? Also, check. Life without obligations can be very relaxed, and you can easily lose your inner drive. But your savings and thus your available time is limited. I had to gather up and start the grind. Instead of 2 streams, I increased the amount to 5. I work full-time, therefore 2 new videos each week should also be possible, I thought. The amount of work for one video can be huge. In fact, lots of people underestimate the amount of work. Especially as a perfectionist, you can spend whole nights while editing. In addition, I also had these 5 live streams, which means I was live for 1 whole day in a week. In the beginning, you are able to manage everything. You are highly motivated. You publish 1 video after another, and you are even streaming overtime. You nail it. But still, there is this bad aftertaste. Even if you are able to fulfill your workload, you don't see any progress. Your videos don't receive any clicks, your subscriber count does not change, and your first regular viewers don't show up anymore. It seems like this project is not as easy as you thought. There is a thought, while not being live and without publishing new content, your dream moves into a far distance. Thus you continue to pull through the grind until your motivation and discipline slowly falls apart.
Nee, heute nicht.
The results were clear. I was not able to complete my workload, and I even had to reduce my former announcements. In addition to that, I also neglected my private life. Instead of cooking fresh, I put frozen food in the deep fryer. Even though I sit the whole day, I did not carry out any exercises. Should I quit now? Did my project fail? No, but something need to change. This is not the dream life I imagined when I decided to quit my career. But how does my goal even look like? I read a quote which kept me brooding. People don't dream to be millionaires. People dream about the freedom which this money enables. When I refer this quote to content creation or to work independence, then I dream about the possibility to earn my livelihood through a passion of mine. But additionally, I want to be able to spend my time as I wish. The intense grind does not correspond to my goal and hence can't be continued. And like this, in 2021, I dived into the world of self-development and self-improvement, which was most likely one of the best decisions of my current life. Actually so crucial that I decided to announce a content change after 1.5 years of streaming tutorials to personal development. How am I able to fulfill my workload? Does everything need to be perfect? And how can I take time out from work without having a bad conscience? I inhaled several contents like videos, podcasts and books. I also tried lots of these things personally in self-experiments. As a result, I developed a regular sleeping pattern, or I found a passion for reading for the first time in my life. As you can see, the personal development behind the backdrop of Twitch and YouTube was very diversified, and I'm really curious how this story continues.